up, everybody? Welcome back to 6th Gear Auto. My name is Sam, and today is a big car meet. It's the, I think it's just a car meet here at local Best Buy, but so stuff like that is here. Goddamn. Stuff like that. So this is gonna be pretty fun. I haven't gotten to go to like a normal car meet that wasn't like Cars and Coffee or something in a while. So I'm really excited. We got some Mustangs lined up. We got 5-liter. We got a Cobra. We've got a Shelby GT500. And we got someone rolling coal. Because that's fun.
Just had a cigarette, I don't need more smoke.
Always gotta love me the classics. Which would you choose, the Chevelle or the Super B? FRS with a speed hunters thing. I bet you really are hunting some speed. Okay, this I like. STI done up with all of the rally decals, everything. That is seriously so cool looking. I like that. Now, which of these would you take? This insane Z06 or the ZL1? Both on drag setup. God damn. Puppy. There's a puppy. Okay, I kind of really hate when there's so many Acura RSXs because it makes me really regret. I had a chance to get a Type S and I turned it down and I regret it every day. And there's 4 RSXs right here. God, I really love the Alfa Giulia. It's still one of the prettiest sedans I've ever seen. Okay, I like this a lot. Old BMW 5 Series on M parallel wheels. That's pretty. I don't know why I started liking old BMWs now, but they seriously are growing on me. Look at this. Trans Am WS6 packing some serious meat on those tires, and that is where the exhaust dumps, right in front of the front wheel. Centerline wheels on this Lightning drag setup. God, I love the Lightning. It's one of the few pickup trucks I'd ever buy. It's just so mean looking. Well, looky here, looks like we got a race car. At least going by the stickers, we got a road, street, and race car. This is kind of different. I'm in Fort Worth, and there's a Seat Cupra, it looks like, coming in. I gotta get a better look at that. I have never seen a Seat Leon before, and there's just one here. That's seriously cool. What the hell? What the hell? Now I know a lot of people at car meets would probably not care too much about something like that. Also, my hair is a mess. Jesus. But what I was saying, a lot of people probably wouldn't really recognize that car too much, but I have never seen a Seat Leon in person before, much less at a car meet locally. That's so cool. When I say original, I mean original. Original GTI shifter. Clean M3 with pipes sticking out the back and a carbon fiber rear. Muffler delete Tacoma. The Lightning. Look at the wheels, goddamn. Oh, it gets better and better. He just came by and went, and that's it. Goddamn. Round 2. We got a Festiva! Festiva! Woo! Oh, I love it. Ford Festiva. And another Festiva, actually. Interesting. There was apparently an idiot in, I think it was an Accord or some sort, over this way that was just doing, like, he was accelerating and spinning his tires and stuff, and a police car just showed up because of him. I'm hoping it doesn't shut the whole thing down. Yeah, it looks like that one cop car scared off a lot of people, because people are just pouring out. It's ridiculous what that thing sounds like. Gorgeous spec. God, that's so pretty. Purple with the yellow accents. I think that might actually be how I'd spec one if I got it. Because God, I love the 570. Jesus. Fucking LS Miata. God, I love this thing. LS Miata with the McLaren coming up next to it now. This would be the race to see. This would be the race to see. LS swapped Miata versus McLaren 570S convertible. Well guys, most of the cars have left and I'm going to end this video. This was a very fun event. A lot of cool cars showed up and I mean it didn't get shut down, so that's always good. But if you guys liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But till then, bye bye.